Hi, I'm Paul Jr. from CARRYBOY Australia, and today I'd love to introduce to you our new SO56 Canopy. Our canopies are already leaders in the market, but this one offers some new advancements that we're really proud of. The first thing you'll notice is the styling of the canopy itself. The shell's been adapted for even more internal space. There's new external styling, and we've inbuilt the rear spoiler for even better air dynamics. But the most exciting improvement from a canopy point of view, and what we believe is the best of both worlds, is the standard passenger side lift-up window and the driver's side sliding windows. We've deliberately set the lift-up window on the passenger side because it maximises access and ensures safety. The lift-up window on the passenger side gives you more accessibility for tools, equipment and recovery gear. But being on the passenger side, you're always in a safe position because you're on the nature strip and protected from the traffic side of the vehicle. One of the main benefits of the sliding windows are to provide ventilation for pets. There's no drama driving with the sliding windows open. You certainly can't do that with the lift-up windows. So this new canopy gives us the best of both worlds. Maximum access for tradies and maximum ventilation for those who've got pets. We still have our original range of canopies with twin flip-up windows or twin sliding windows, but the new canopy gives us the option of both and the best of both worlds. If you want more information, jump on our website carryboy.com.au.